Okay, hello Computer Apps Online students. I want to just make a quick video to clarify so you understand what's going on. So Business Letter Practice 1. You're in the block format unit. So there's two different ways to type. We're going to learn block format, and it's personal and business letters, okay? So when you're here, and these are all the examples that you're here in the notes, make sure you learn the stuff first. And I even labeled all the parts for you. And then when you open this one, it's going to look like this. Okay, basically all you're doing is you have all the information that you need right here to type a business letter. Okay, and you need to type it in proper format. This is one business letter right here. This is one business letter right here. This is a separate Dropbox. This has another Dropbox for when you're finished. So you're taking this information and making it look like this. That's all you got to do. So again, this information, you're going to make it look like this, and you have access to this business letter example. And you got to include your letterhead at the top as well. So what I would recommend is your letterhead that you created in Activity 22, open that file and simply go File, Save As, and then just save it as whatever you're supposed to on the directions. What is this? Business Letter Practice 1, I think. So just right here, just write Business Letter Practice 1, save it in your Word folder, and then you will have a nice blank document that you can start typing on with your letterhead at the top, but you're not affecting your letterhead. I gave you an example how to do this in Activity 22, so check it out if you want to, if you forget how to do a file save as. So that's it. So you're making this business, these directions. This is one business letter. You're making it look like this right here, and then down here, you're taking this information and you're making it look like this, but you're opening up your letterhead again, doing a file save as, change the file name, and then you'll have a blank document that you can type this information on. Alright, come see me if you have any questions. And this will be the same with personal business letters as well. Alright.